screaming, can't even breathe. But I mean, I'm willing to take the sacrifice to breathe less as long as you're catching all these beautiful winds. Enjoy. Nice indeed, Lundergrands. Nice indeed. Said that we can get more than 2x. No more bets. Enjoy. Yeah. Well, the wheel multi. 2x number 1 and an 18. How much the 20x battery charger? It was 600x, sweetie. 600x to the battery charger, the multi in top. Can we? Can we? Can we? Yes, we can. 18 Lightning Storm with a 2 times wheels multiplier. Woo!
Lightning Storm.
Guys, you're amazing at those multi. $1,100 winners. A lucky man holds a 500x and 35,000 win. Beautiful. Oh, I just can't. You're in the fire, guys. Look at those outcomes. 600x there, 500x there, 200x there. I mean, you go. Keep it up. And newcomers, good day. Welcome to the studio. It's Lightning Storm. How are you today? Whew, the betting time's over. At the moment, you got a number.